Living green or sustainably is about more than saving on your electric bill and doing your part to protect natural resources. It is about a safer and healthier life for you and your family without sacrificing style, quality, or budget. This is a movement to provide all of us with clean air to breathe and water to drink, safe, healthy food to eat, and places to live, and energy to run the places where we live, learn, play, and work. The Green Gab podcast helps you get the value of green for you, your family, and your community. Whether it's green homes, green living, or the people who make it happen, join me, Marla Esser Close, to learn how green and sustainability practices and products work for our world and you. Today, I've been podcasting with Amber Malcolm, Shabby Chick Cleaners, and we just really wanted to give you a few minutes to see some of the products. They're featured on Everyday Green Home. So excited to have this partnership.
Yes, me too.
Whoever thought I'd find you here in Oklahoma?
I know, that's whoever thought I'd make
So at any rate, Amber and I have connected through multiple routes, multiple people that have said, you guys got to meet. We finally did.
And almost the year. It was crazy.
I know. So here we are, and I am really excited that I've become a green, clean, it's so hard for me to say, green, clean coach with Shabby Chick. The products are going to be featured on Everyday Green Home. But let's talk a little bit about some of these.
Okay.
Would you say 17 products?
Yes.
Okay.
17. So I like to make the cleaning simple. So we have the all-purpose cleaner is for your streaking surfaces. So if you non-streaking surfaces, I'm thinking.
So this is the soap base.
This is soap base.
Okay.
So I don't want to use this on your mirrors or glass. But carpets, countertops, bathtub, tile.
Anything that can take soap.
Yep. Anything. Okay. And if it is a streaking surface, mirror, glass, stainless steel, your appliances. Now this is good on the appliances, but this will make them pretty. They're shiny. Yeah. Okay. And so this is for all your streaking surfaces, glass, mirrors, windows, whatever, anything that streaks.
Okay.
And that is it. You can use that.
Is it 2 cleaners for everything?
That's it, for everything. And then we have our air freshener because,
I've got air freshener.
In fact, we even have a product called Stink Stopper out here. And
we don't have it out.
We don't have it out. It's one of my favorite products. And then this is my absolute favorite product, though. It's called Snake Oil. And think like the triple antibiotic ointment that you get, only good, and it works, and it's healthy. It is just pure alcohol and 6 different essential oils. So
no snake oil in it?
No actual snake oil. I just want to be able to say I'm a snake oil salesman. I don't know why, but that's just a life goal, and now I am.
Good. Hey, this is Marla Close, the Green Home Coach, and I am the author of Living Green Effortlessly, Simple Choices for a Better Home. And in this book, besides talking about a bunch of stuff about green and sustainability products and practices you can easily take in your home, also talk about home maintenance and how important this is to having a home that serves you rather than you serving it. Seasonal home maintenance checklists are a big part of this, and I teamed up with colleague Tina Gleisner from Home Tips for Women to use her maintenance checklist, actually included in the book, starting on page 96. And if you have the book, look them up. But I wanted to give you a brief excerpt from the book to get you excited about why home maintenance checklists, I know that doesn't sound very exciting, but why they are so important. So, maintaining a home is actually a 3-part ongoing process. Inspect, maintain, and update. To help you keep track of what you've done and plan to do, make notes on the checklist. First, inspect. If you've only got an hour to spare, pick one exterior side of the house or one room inside to inspect. Note the date you did this on the checklist and flag items needing maintenance or repairs so you can schedule time or make a list for your handyman or handy woman. Second, maintain. Keep your home safe, such as smoke detector batteries. Keep your home energy efficient, like furnace air filters, and prolong the useful life of many home features, like caulking bathroom tile. Write it down when you complete a task, keeps you from guessing later on. And third, update. Take advantage of improved materials and fixtures. Upgrade to new building codes, and evaluate when it makes more sense to make an improvement rather than repair, such as replacing a bathroom floor rather than repairing the grout. Check out the book or give me a holler and I'll hook you up online to get the maintenance checklist for yourself. If you'd like to have the entire book, please go to livinggreenbook.com for a multitude of ways to purchase it for yourself. Thanks again. This is Marla, the Green Home Coach.
And then so air and fabric freshener, and works great on both.
Everything. And even your animals, when your little dogs go out and they come in. Yeah, and spray the dog. They don't love it so much, but I do.
And then laundry soap, I love it. It comes in a pouch. It does come with a handy dandy tablespoon.
It's really
we did figure out the tablespoon is basically 2 squirts.
Yeah, it's like a plop plop. It comes out
so like
1 inch chunks.
Yeah, like 1 inches.
Yeah. So, and that's it. We call it the plop plop method. Yep. If you have really big phones, well, you probably have really big clothes too. So it would still work.
But you still get a tablespoon with it. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. So secret to success with this laundry detergent.
It's got to go in before the clothes in the tub.
Especially if you're a high efficiency
Especially if you're 18. Because you'll get it and it'll be floating on the top and you're like, this doesn't work. Right. No, it works fantastic with the AG machines. That's it. All you got to do is no matter what kind of a machine it is, just throw it in the machine before your clothes. Then turn the machine on. Always underneath the clothes. I don't know what the secret is.
I know. Scott's got to figure
That's the secret. And you really can put it in your dispenser, but we recommend you don't. We recommend just putting it right in before your clothes.
And then there's the dish soap, which I didn't bring in.
Yes.
And
now it's different.
Dish soap is different. The first time I used it around Scott, he was like, what is that? No.
Yeah, it does smell. And I tried to put essential oils in it to cover up the vinegar smell, and all it smells is like dill pickles. It just smells gross. And then the essential oils would stay on your dishes. So you'd be eating and you're like, smell like sickly lavender. And I was like, but people have
maybe lemon.
Yeah, believe me, I tried them all. So I'm like, you just have to deal with vinegar. What I found is most people tolerate it pretty well.
Well, and vinegar, the smell of vinegar evaporates really fast.
Really quick.
So, because even when I use vinegar to clean and stuff, everybody's like, ooh, you clean with vinegar? But
5 seconds later, it's gone. Yeah.
But this stuff works.
It's like no other dish soap you've ever used. Now, I was picky back in my non-hippie days. I went out and I got the big bottle of stuff, toughest stuff there was, the 5-minute degreaser, and that stuff looks like water compared to this. I mean, this just eats, and you use so little. It's so concentrated. But it's a weird market because it doesn't suds. Some women think it's not cleaning because it doesn't suds. I'm like, no, the suds are just a chemical. Yeah, this is a chemical. But if you can get over the smell, you'll be obsessed with the cleaning power. I mean, obsessed. It is unreal.
5 myths of green homes. 5 things that you probably believe about green homes that may be costing you thousands of dollars. Which myth do you hear the most? Get your copy of 5 Myths at greenhomecoach.com and click on the button for 5 Myths of Green Homes. You can also connect with me on Facebook at Green Home Coach and let me know the green home myth you hear the most. I'll also share tips, products, and resources. Be sure to download your copy of 5 Myths of Green Homes now, and then check back to learn more.
Well, if you want to hear more about Amber and her story and how we got connected, because that's kind of humorous in itself, check out our podcast. We'll put the link in the notes here, and you'll learn all kinds of great stuff. And you can also find Shabby Chick on everydaygreenhome.com. And if you want to learn more at Amber's site, Shabby Chick Cleaners, and that is chick, like a chicken chick, right?
Yeah.
ShabbyChickCleaners.com. So thanks for checking it out here. If you're in the Oklahoma City area and you want to learn more, give me a holler and we will get it going with you because these products are phenomenal. I'm very pleased, very impressed. And I don't say that often.
That's good. Good. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. I'm just so excited about this.
Me too. Okay. It's going to be fun.
See y'all. Bye.
That wraps up this episode of the Green Gab podcast. Ready to use what you learned? Get the show notes with all the resources mentioned in this episode. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast app so you never miss an episode. Thank you again for listening and for leaving a review. And remember that living a little greener is easier than you think.